Hey there fellows, my name is Rahim Rasheed and you are watching the Everyday Talk. Actually, I am a final year student who is going to be graduating next year as a business major. So guys, this is a video which is, you can say, a continuation to my previous video, which was all about the productivity apps or all the apps on my iPad or the iPad 9th generation. In this video, I will be talking about some specific apps which are related to my YouTube workflow. I have recently started this YouTube channel and I am totally editing, writing scripts and even recording the audios for my entire videos you could watch on my channel on the iPad 9 generation, which I have recently put on my table aside. We will be going towards that in a minute, but before that, let me request you that you can kindly subscribe to the channel to make sure that we just get motivated and keep on bringing such content for you guys. And your comments to give me some suggestions, to ask some questions would be highly appreciated and would be obviously answered in a timely manner, I must say. So let's begin with the video. So guys, for the time being, I do not own any, you can say, a hardcore or any powerful computer with me. For the time being, I am editing these YouTube videos on my iPad 9th generation, and you could believe me that all the videos are recorded with my iPhone 12, the simple iPhone 12 in 1080p, and they are edited in the same way. You can say I attach 2 to 3 streams of the 1080p videos normally on when I am editing to create a YouTube video for you guys, and iPad just hold it like a champ. It never slow downs, even entire thing is very smooth. So I just wanted to share these things with you before I take you towards the apps which I am using on my iPad. Now I will be jumping towards the iPad screen and I will be showing you all the apps. That audio is recorded on the iPad 9 generation, the videos are edited on the iPad 9 generation, and it is, you can say, edited on a free app, a totally free app without any type of in-app purchases, and that's a very great app, by the way. And even the scripts are written on iPad, the ideas are jotted down on the iPad 9th generation. So let's jump into the video. So yeah guys, you can see the iPad screen in front of you. I was planning to record the screen, but I think so that it would be more interactive way to just tell you guys or share my views with you guys with the Apple Pencil being displayed and the things being shown in front. So I'm not recording the screen with the screen recorder app. In fact, I am recording it with my mobile phone or my iPhone 12. So the thing is that first of all, let's jump straight into the YouTube pack which I have stored here separately. I have explained all these apps, by the way, in another video which I will be linking in the description and even in the I button above, so you can watch it out there, that what does the other apps do for me and how I use them. So jumping towards the YouTube pack, first of all, let's talk about the YT Studio or the YouTube Studio app. Now this app is I think so necessary for every content creator on YouTube. Actually, it shows you your subscriber counts. It shows you that the entire process of your YouTube channel is being displayed here, how many views you are getting, how well your videos are doing, and things like that. Now I'm not sure that is it, you can say, feasible or is it okay to share the screen with you, but by the way, I am sharing it with you, and we are on the 48 subscriber mark, by the way, and I hope that you people will be increasing them. You people will be subscribing, and these subscribers would be increasing very soon. So the thing is that this app is, by the way, a basic app to just tell me that what is going on with my YouTube channel. Now coming towards the VN app, now this is the app which I was talking about. It is the app for the video editing. Let's jump into the last video which I have just posted. Now it is processing the video because all the videos or all the clips which I have used in the video have been deleted from my iPad's memory, and they are still being stored in the VN app itself because there are some of the settings which I have adjusted, and now these all apps are here even if I have deleted them from my Photos app on the iPad, and they are even taking some less storage. Now as you can see, I'm scrolling through this entire you can say feed, and there is no lag observed right there. This is a 1080p footage, and on some places I have also attached the double footage, or there are multiple streams. You can see there is the multiple stream of audio, there are some other, you can say, things attached. Now this is a very basic video, so there are not a lot of clutter in it, but still you people could see that there are a lot of things going on for just a budget device which only costs $329. So yeah, that's a great thing for this app. And on the other hand, I could just, you can say, use it free of cost. There is no hidden cost, no in-app purchases for the time being. This app is also available for the MacBook or the users, the Mac users. As you can see up there, VN for Mac is also available to download. We could add music, we could add up to 5 streams of the footage, 5 stream of the audio, and things like that. Now that's all from the VN app. Now coming towards the other things about the YouTube. The next app I'm going to be talking about is the Motive Audio. Now Motive Audio is an app, the Motive company's app. As you people could see, there are some of their devices. Now they are not sponsoring obviously the video, but there are some apps or there are microphones for which this app is recorded, and it is totally free to use. You can even attach some third-party mics with it, as I usually do. And this app, as you can see, just record the audio from me and place it in the library in a very, you can say, organized manner, and then I can import them to my Files app or directly to the VN app by just clicking a share button. Now there is another good thing I am currently seeing, that you people could see my reflection in the iPad and you could see me explaining. So there is a kind of, you can say, a transition effect going on for the time being because the screen is black, so just bear with that. Now that's all from this app. Once again, there is nothing, you can say, a rocket science going on out here. Coming towards the last app for the YouTube pack. Now there are a lot of other things I would be maybe I would be discussing in the video, but for the time being, on my iPad, the Snapseed is the last app I use. Here I could just go straight into the videos or the pictures. For example, I just pick it up this picture. Here I have a lot of options, unlimited options, where I could add text to the video, where I could, you can say, color grade the video or the thumbnails, not the videos. Sorry for just again and again repeating the mistake. Actually it is for pictures or the thumbnails which I create for you guys. App here I could just, you can say, add text to the thumbnails. I could tone the image out here and other things like that. Before finishing the video, I would love to talk about the Canva. Actually Canva is there on my iPad. I usually use it sometimes on my iPad, but the basic purpose of the Canva for me is to be used on my PC or on my desktop, my laptop. So as you can see, this is the last video I have posted. There is a thumbnail which I have, you can say, designed a little bit, you can say, on the Snapseed. Basically the purpose of Canva is to just, you can say, shorten the video. As you can see, this text here, should you buy, this had been added in Canva, while the other entire thing is being done on the Snapseed or the Google Snapseed app, which is, by the way, totally free for me for the time being. And the thing is that I just took a picture for the thumbnail, then I goes to the Snapseed app to color grade the image or add such text which is going behind the image, and then I comes to and that obviously that image is not below 2 MBs, which is the maximum size of thumbnail the creators can add. So I just bring it up into the Canva, into their pre-built template, and I just paste the picture out here. Then I just add some of the text like this one and just download the image which is less than 2 MB to directly paste or directly attach into the Studio app when I am uploading the picture. So guys, that's all from this video. Actually I'm sure that you people must have just get a glimpse of the things which I do for creating these YouTube videos. There are a lot of things going behind that. I even write my scripts on the Notes app, which I have shared in my previous video, by the way. And even sometimes I use the Word app on my iPad and sometimes on the PC to write the script. Then the script is being recorded as a voice, then the B-roll is created, and then the entire video is edited. So it is a very long process going on along with my studies. So it would be highly appreciated if you guys just give a quick thumbs up if you like the video, and if you dislike the video, you could even just suggest me that what I'm doing wrong in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear your suggestions, and your subscription to the channel would be highly appreciated and mean the world to me. Now that's all from this video. If you want some detailed videos about any of the app you have seen in this video or in the previous video where I have created the entire, you can say, the setup, I have explained the entire setup of how I use the apps on my iPad 9th generation. So I would love to create the video for that. So entire app, for example the GoodNote 5 or even the VN app, I could explain that how I edit the videos. It's all up to you. If you guys want that, you could just comment it under the video, or you could suggest me any of the things which I could do in the future. It would be highly appreciated. That's all from the video. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Have a good day.